Good evening. My name is Jim Smith. I'm a candidate for Superior Court Judge seat number 3. I'm presently the Assistant Public Defender of Imperial County, where I help lead and supervise 15 of the most highly trained attorneys in Imperial County. For the past 25 years, I've been a trial attorney in Imperial County, where I appear in court on a weekly basis, trying cases in our court system. I've conducted 47 jury trials and hundreds of court trials in the 25 years I've practiced law here in Imperial County. I am the only candidate who is a veteran of the armed forces during time of war. I proudly served in the United States Marine Corps during the Vietnam War to defend the freedoms that this country holds dear to it. I'm the only candidate who has been a trial attorney for 25 years, who has put together cases, who's interviewed clients, who's gone out and gathered evidence and brought them before a judge or a court or a jury to present the case. I'm the only one who has done that type of work. My opponent claims to have 21 years as an attorney. That is an untrue statement. She's had 9 years as an attorney. 2 of those years she served in human resources in Imperial Valley College. And for 10 years she served in human resources with the El Centro Elementary School District. Being a judge is not just about knowing the law. It's about having the wisdom to resolve complex disputes. As a trial attorney, I attempt to resolve complex disputes on a daily basis. I interview my client, I talk to the witnesses, I gather evidence and make a determination of whether we should go to trial or not. If my client insists on going to trial, we go to trial. But I try to resolve complex disputes every day. And it's another thing about a judge is that they try to find creative solutions to problems in the community. I do that on a daily basis with my clients. We try to resolve disputes. If we cannot resolve them, we try to find some solution, some common ground to resolve the disputes. That's what a judge does. I'm the only candidate that's taken cases to trial, done hundreds of preliminary hearings. My opponent claims she's done thousands, and she's not done any as an attorney. She's been a judge for 6 months to maybe 10 months at the most. But she has, and she claims that she has, she's done thousands of preliminary hearings, but that's an untrue statement. Another part of being a judge is understanding the human component in our judicial system, understanding how it is to deal with people who are facing problems, facing complex disputes in their relationships with society or with their family members or whatever. I've dealt with those kinds of problems. And I'd appreciate your vote come June 3rd. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. There's no better experience that qualifies a person for being a judge than serving as a judicial officer. And I'm that person. I'm fair, I'm neutral, I follow the law, and I apply it fairly and consistently. I have a strong work ethic and the right judicial temperament. It's for these reasons that I was appointed judge by the governor and also appointed family support commissioner by the unanimous support of all the Superior Court judges. I have 21 years of legal experience, including work in the private sector as well as the public and government sectors. Since 2012, I've presided over thousands of felony, misdemeanor, civil, and family support matters, including jury trials and grand jury indictments. Although I'm prohibited by judicial ethics from sharing the details of any of the cases over which I presided, I've heard criminal matters that have ranged from infractions to most serious of criminal cases, including rape and murder, to civil law in motion, to family law. Before I became a judicial officer, I served in many high-ranking attorney positions in the county, including Assistant County Counsel for the County of Imperial, supervising attorneys who represent the entire county, Assistant County Counsel for Pioneers Memorial Healthcare District, Imperial Valley Housing Authority, school districts, attorney for businesses, corporations, and nonprofits. I'm past president of the Imperial County Bar Association and a current member of the California Judges Association. Born in Brawley and raised in El Centro, I graduated from Central Union High School and Imperial Valley College. Upon my graduation from UCLA School of Law, I immediately passed the bar, unlike my opponent, who took over 5 years to be admitted into the bar. And I returned home to practice law and give back to my community. My dedicated community service includes Imperial County Child Abuse Prevention Council, CASA of Imperial County, co-founder of the El Centro Education Foundation, where since 1996, we've awarded over hundreds of thousands of scholarships to deserving students. I'm a member of Rotary and also the Imperial County, been involved with the Imperial County Mock Trial. I am honored to have been recognized by our community leader and organizations for my service in working with the youth and in fundraising for scholarships. Now, while we can all tout our experience, who better to understand the quality of that experience and know and judge our character than our fellow judicial officers, attorneys, and our community justice partners. I'm proud to have the support and receive the endorsement of all the legal community, Superior Court judges, Imperial County Bar Association, the District Attorney, Sheriff, the County Sheriff's Association, National Border Patrol Local 2554, California Correctional Peace Officers Association, the El Centro Police Officers Association, Raleigh Public Safety Employee Association, and the Police Chief. These are individuals who know me, who have worked with me, and understand how important it is to have a judge who is fair, who is neutral, who is known for her work ethic, and possesses the intellectual capacity and temperament to be effective in securing the rights of all of us who use our courts. I'm the proud wife of Joe Montenegro, who I've been married to for almost 18 years, and a proud mother of daughter Miranda. I spent my life in this valley. I love our community, and I'm grateful for the opportunities it's afforded me. In response to his comments, it's interesting that he states that he's been a trial attorney for 24 years because many of us have never seen him do a trial. In fact, when he was asked at the Imperial County Bar Association how many trials he has done in the last 10 years, his response was 1. Most of his experience has been in juvenile law. He also states on his website that he has civil law experience. That's interesting, given that his experience all has been at the public defender's office. Where does he have the civil experience? Where it appears that he filed for bankruptcy and his experience lies in defending himself against a credit card company. He also states that he has family law experience. Where would he have family law experience as a public defender? Or perhaps it has been in defending issues regarding domestic issues in his own family. That's not the experience we're looking for in a judge. I wish to continue to serve our community, and I would kindly appreciate your support and vote on June 3rd. Thank you.